Ever wondered where you can find a true birdwatcher's paradise? Let me take you to Sri Lanka, a stunning tropical island in the Indian Ocean. Its position near the equator creates an incredible mix of climates and habitats, from lush forests and vast grasslands to serene wetlands and coastlines. This diversity makes it a haven for an astonishing 439 species of birds. Imagine, among them are 236 breeding residents and over 200 migratory visitors that travel thousands of miles to be here. What really sets Sri Lanka apart are its 33 endemic bird species found nowhere else on Earth. We're talking unique fowls, vibrant parakeets, majestic hornbills, and the stunning blue magpie. It's a world-class destination for any nature lover. If this sounds like your kind of adventure, make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing wildlife spots. See you next time.